Magandang araw, researchers, especially to my grade 8 students. This is Teacher Tin May and welcome to our research class. At since pandemic pa tayo ngayon and we cannot do the face-to-face setup just like what we have before, dito muna tayo ngayon and we will do our very best para ibigay sa inyo ang mga informations and lessons na kailangan nating i-take for this subject. Research is an elective subject designed for special science program.
When you were in grade 7, you were able to be equipped with essential scientific attitudes and science process skills that prepared you in conducting science investigations. What is the subject Research 2? Research 2 for grade 8 introduces the nature of research and processes to learners. This will help you generate researchable problems, formulate hypotheses, select, synthesize, and cite relevant literature following ethical standards, apply the principles of experimental design and methodology, determine the basic statistical tools, and enhance scientific writing skills in preparing a research proposal. This subject is also designed to prepare you in establishing strong linkages, collaboration, and consultation with research institutions, industries, and nearby communities.
And now that you are on the second level, let us have a brief introduction about the topics that you are going to encounter in Research 8. For this quarter, we will discuss 5 topics. Number 1, the nature of research. Number 2, description and definition of the types of scientific research. Number 3, we have the research processes, which includes science project logbook and also the international rules in the conduct of research. And we also have number 4, the research problem. And for the last, we have formulating hypothesis. There are 9 learning competencies in this quarter that you should be able to understand and demonstrate. Number 1, we have explain the meaning, characteristics, and importance of research. Number 2, categorize research in terms of features and relevance. Number 3, demonstrate proper data logbook. Number 4, distinguish different research forms. Number 5, recognize international standard and rules and conduct in research. Number 6, describe the nature of research process. Number 7, apply guidelines, criteria in the selection of a topic and research problem. Number 8, state the main problem and sub-problem of research. And number 9, formulate hypothesis. Hanggang dito muna ang ating brief introduction about our subject and research for this quarter. So stay tuned on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell and the like button for more updates and videos to come. And for our next lesson vlog, we will have nature of research. So hanggang dito muna. Again, this is Teacher Tin May. At bago ko tapusin ang video na to, gusto ko lang pong batiin ang aking mga kapwa guro, lalo na ang aking mga kaguruan sa Quezon National High School at iba ko pang mga kaibigan diyan. Alam ko na busy-busy na tayong lahat ngayon and today is August 10. So meron pa tayong 14 days na paghahanda. 14 days na lang na paghahanda para sa nalalapit na pasukan. Kaya natin to. Yeah, fighting. Aja. At sa lahat po ng mga estudyante dyan, so sana maki-cooperate din kayo sa inyong mga teachers kasi ginagawa namin ang lahat para sa inyo. Ayun lang, maraming salamat po. Stay safe everyone. Fighting. Thank you.